Are you ready to witness a revolution in education like never before? Welcome to a groundbreaking journey into the future of learning with ChatGPT. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss. Education has seen some remarkable changes over the years, and technology has played a pivotal role in transforming the way we learn. One such revolutionary technology is ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explore the role of ChatGPT in education, from assisting students with homework to facilitating personalized learning experiences. We'll also discuss how educators can integrate ChatGPT into their teaching methods effectively. So, if you're ready to dive into the future of education, let's get started. 1. The power of ChatGPT in education. The power of ChatGPT in education is transformative. Its ability to provide instant, personalized, and accessible information makes it a valuable tool for both students and educators. ChatGPT serves as a 24/7 virtual tutor, answering questions, explaining complex concepts, and assisting with homework. It adapts to individual learning styles and paces, ensuring a tailored learning experience. Moreover, it fosters creativity by generating ideas and assisting with writing assignments. Language proficiency is enhanced through real-time grammar and language correction. ChatGPT also promotes inclusivity, aiding students with diverse learning needs. In a rapidly evolving educational landscape, ChatGPT is a versatile ally, democratizing knowledge and enhancing the learning journey. Assisting students with homework. One of the most immediate and practical applications of ChatGPT in education is its ability to assist students with their homework. Students can simply input their questions, and ChatGPT provides instant explanations, answers, and even additional resources to aid in comprehension. This accessibility to information empowers students to take control of their learning and fosters a sense of independence. Encouraging critical thinking. While ChatGPT can provide answers, it's equally important to recognize its potential to encourage critical thinking. Instead of spoon-feeding solutions, educators can guide students to ask deeper questions and explore various angles of a problem. ChatGPT can serve as a tool to fuel these discussions, helping students refine their analytical and problem-solving skills. 2. Personalized learning with ChatGPT. Personalized learning with ChatGPT revolutionizes education by tailoring instruction to individual needs. Leveraging AI, ChatGPT assesses a learner's strengths, weaknesses, and preferences, creating a customized learning journey. This adaptability spans various subjects, from mathematics to language arts. ChatGPT fosters engagement through interactive, conversational lessons, promoting active participation. It offers instant feedback and adapts to difficulty levels, ensuring an optimal learning pace. Learners receive real-time assistance, clarifications, and additional resources, enhancing comprehension and retention. Adaptive learning paths. ChatGPT can analyze a student's learning history and preferences to create adaptive learning paths. This means that the content and pace of learning can be adjusted in real time to suit each student's unique strengths and weaknesses. No longer will students be held back by a uniform curriculum. Instead, they'll progress at their own optimal speed. Multilingual support. Another remarkable feature of ChatGPT is its ability to provide educational content in multiple languages. This breaks down language barriers and opens up educational resources to a global audience, ensuring that every student has access to high-quality education, regardless of their mother tongue. 3. Integrating ChatGPT into teaching methods. Integrating ChatGPT into teaching methods represents a revolutionary leap in education. This AI-powered tool empowers educators to create dynamic and personalized learning experiences. ChatGPT serves as an intelligent assistant, catering to individual student needs by answering questions, providing explanations, and fostering engagement. However, a thoughtful balance is key to ensuring that ChatGPT complements, rather than replaces, human instruction. Ethical considerations and data privacy must also be addressed as AI becomes an integral part of modern pedagogy. Enhancing classroom interactions. ChatGPT can serve as a valuable assistant in the classroom. Educators can use it to quickly access reference materials and examples, or even to generate engaging discussion topics. This frees up time for more meaningful interactions with students, fostering a dynamic and stimulating learning environment. Training students in digital literacy. As technology becomes an integral part of education, it's crucial to teach students how to use tools like ChatGPT responsibly. Educators can incorporate digital literacy lessons to help students discern credible information from misinformation, promoting critical thinking skills. 4. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations play a pivotal role in guiding human behavior across various domains, from science and medicine to business and technology. They encompass a set of principles and values that help individuals and organizations make morally sound decisions and navigate complex moral dilemmas. In the digital age, ethical considerations are paramount in technology development, guarding against issues like data privacy violations and biased algorithms. Overall, ethical considerations serve as a moral compass, reminding us to prioritize human rights, justice, and societal well-being in our actions and decisions. Data privacy. Educational institutions must prioritize data privacy when using ChatGPT. Sensitive student information should be protected, and transparency regarding data usage is paramount to building trust. Bias mitigation. AI models like ChatGPT can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data. Educators should be aware of this and actively work to mitigate bias by curating diverse and inclusive educational materials. 5. The future of education. As we delve into the future, it's clear that ChatGPT is just the beginning. The potential for AI in education is boundless, and educators, students, and technology developers must work together to shape this exciting landscape. Collaboration between educators and AI developers. Educators should actively collaborate with AI developers to ensure that ChatGPT and similar technologies align with educational goals. This partnership can lead to the creation of more effective and ethical tools for education. Lifelong learning. With ChatGPT and AI-driven education, the concept of lifelong learning becomes more attainable. People of all ages can access resources and support tailored to their evolving needs, enabling continuous growth and adaptation in an ever-changing world. The future of education is here, and it's being revolutionized by ChatGPT. From assisting students with homework to enabling personalized learning experiences, this technology holds the promise of transforming education into a more accessible, adaptable, and enriching experience. However, its success relies on effective integration, ethical considerations, and a collaborative effort between educators and AI developers. As we embrace the power of ChatGPT in education, we must also remain vigilant in upholding the values and ethics that underpin our educational systems, ensuring that the future truly benefits all learners, regardless of their background or circumstances. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for joining us as we explored the role of ChatGPT in education and how it's reshaping the way we learn and teach. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are passionate about the future of education. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll be back with more exciting content soon.